Hey, what's up, you guys? So, we're talking quadratic functions today. I know most people are used to plotting functions of this form. Y is equal to, um, you know, maybe x squared, plus 5x plus 6, because, you have to find the y-intercept and then, the x-intercept and then, the turning point, right? You, you can't read out the turning point from this, okay? But you can read out the y-intercept, which is just going to be 0 is to 6, okay? Yes. But what if you're given something like this, right? This is what I want to discuss with you guys today. And then you asked to plot, okay? So, obviously, you can see that a is close to minus 2, which is, less than 0, meaning that we are basically expecting this, a frown. And also the turning point, we can see that p is equals to minus 3 and q is equals to just 8, meaning that our TP is basically minus 3 is to 8. These we can easily read from the function itself. And the equation of the axis of symmetry, right? This is where the graph is basically symmetrical about that line, right? X is just equal to p, right? And our p is minus 3. That's the equation of the axis of symmetry, okay? So now obviously we're gonna need what we call the x-intercepts. Okay, we already got the turning points, but we can start off by finding the y-intercept because we cannot read off the y-intercept from that. So to find the y-intercept, let x be 0, okay? So now we're just going to y is equal to minus 2, 0 plus 3 squared, right, plus 8, okay? And you can see that this is just 9 times minus 2, which is minus 3 squared is 9, times minus 2, it's minus 18. And minus 18 plus 8 is going to give us minus 10. So this is our y-intercept, 0 is to negative 10, okay? But the x-intercept, okay, let y be 0. So we go to that equation there, we put 0 in place of the y. So 0 is equal to what? 0 is equal to minus 2 into x plus 3 squared plus 8. Okay, we take the 8 to the other side, becomes minus 8, and there we go. Now we divide throughout by minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, right? So that becomes what? 4 is equal to x plus 3 squared, okay? Now, if we square root both sides, plus minus, square root, the square is gonna disappear, so x plus 3 is basically just equal to plus minus 2, meaning that now minus 3 plus minus 2 is equal to what? X. So your x is going to be minus 5 or what? Minus 1. Right? There we have it. So I think we're ready to plot the function because we know the y-intercept is going to be at 0 is to minus 10. The y-intercept. X-intercept is going to be at minus 5 is to 0, and another one is going to be at minus 1 is to 0. The turning point is at minus 3 is to 8, okay? So we've got everything we need. We need 3 things, right? As always. The turning point, the y-intercept, and the x-intercept, okay? So now we're ready to plot our function. But remember, we said that a is negative 2 is less than 0. So we're expecting something of this kind, okay? So let's just, we're expecting something of that kind, right? A frown. So let's just do the plotting, right? There's our minus 5. There's our negative 1. And we know our function is going to be like there. Yeah. So remember, this is the x-axis, so our thing is negative. Okay, our turning point is, I mean, the what we call the y-intercept is negative, so it's got to be below the x-axis. So it's going to be what the y-intercept is at 0 is to minus 10. Okay, yeah, 0 is to minus 10, and remember the turning point is at what? Minus 3 is to 8. Beautiful, isn't it? So just, make it a habit to write everything in coordinate form, highly recommended. Okay, so all good. Then you can label your function. Y is equals to minus 2 into x plus 3 squared plus 8. We're good to go. Done.